Family and friends. We may have our differences, but nothing's more important than family. Miguel, Coco. Family is really important. That's why we have got the International Day of Families on the 15th of May every year. It's a day when we can tell our mums, dads, brothers and sisters how important they are to us, and our grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins too, because everyone in a family is important. Ohana means family. Family means no one gets left behind or forgotten. Lilo and Stitch. But what about friends? Some friends are really special, and they are almost like family to us. So, there is an International Day of Friendship too. On the 30th of July, we can say thank you to our friends, because they are always there for us.